Listen, a good dinner, right, is definitely made by a good chef, right? A good chef chooses the best, freshest ingredients, best recipe, tested, proven for awesome results, right? And for that being said, today we're making a seafood Alfredo. Personally, I think the best pasta for a seafood Alfredo is some fettuccine. The sauce coats your pasta very well, and your seafood doesn't get stumble in your pasta, right? So we're taking some shrimp, some lobster, and we're gonna sear that in butter for our best results. Because you know, as I've always told you, everything tastes better with a little butter, right? After that, I'm gonna hit it with some bell peppers, some seasoning salt, and some black pepper. Then I add my lobster. Don't cook it too much, because then, you know, your lobster get chewy and rubbery. I'm gonna take some fake me out Alfredo sauce, right? I'm gonna mix that with some fresh chopped basil. Then I'm gonna whip that together. I'm gonna hit that with some heavy cream. So I'm gonna put some heavy cream in my pan, a little bit of white wine, a little bit of hot sauce, right? As a Caribbean boy, I like to put a little spice when I cook my seafood. So a little bit of hot sauce. Then I let that reduce. Then I finish it with my fake me out Alfredo along with my heavy cream. Why I like to use the fake me out Alfredo is, if you're not gonna make a roux, you're gonna need a body. And most of all, these fake me out Alfredos aren't that bad. I've said it, they're not that bad, right? After I mix that, I put my crab and I hit it with a little thyme for that extra flavor. Fresh thyme. Throw my fettuccine in the pan, hot pan, a little bit of oil. I let that cook. I put some Parmesan in my sauce so it just finished that thickening process. Hit it with a little fresh baby spinach so we can get that bite, that color, that look, right? After that, soon as our pasta is cooked, right? Make sure you mix that well, right? Don't overcook, right? Don't overcook. After my pasta is cooked, we're gonna take our pasta and we're gonna add it straight to that Alfredo. So we add our pasta straight to the seafood Alfredo or al dente pasta. And my advice to you, for the best result, you serve it right from the stove to the plate. That's a vibe. Crazy chef.